Car insurance provides numerous benefits to both drivers and society as a whole. Here are the top 5 benefits of having car insurance. Financial protection. Car insurance offers financial protection in the event of an accident. It covers the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle if it's damaged due to a collision, theft, vandalism, or natural disasters like hail or floods. Without insurance, these expenses would come out of your pocket, potentially causing significant financial strain. Liability coverage. Liability coverage is a fundamental component of car insurance that protects you from legal and financial consequences if you're at fault in an accident. It covers bodily injury and property damage you may cause to other people. Without liability coverage, you could be personally responsible for medical bills, vehicle repairs, and legal fees, which can be substantial. Medical coverage. Car insurance often includes medical coverage that pays for medical expenses for you and your passengers if you're injured in an accident. This can include hospital bills, doctor's fees, rehabilitation costs, and even lost wages if your injuries prevent you from working. Having this coverage ensures you receive necessary medical care without the burden of immediate out-of-pocket expenses. Peace of mind. Car insurance provides peace of mind knowing that you are protected on the road. It reduces the stress and anxiety associated with potential accidents, as you have a safety net in place. This peace of mind extends to your family and loved ones, knowing they are financially secure in case of an unfortunate event. Legal requirement. In many places, car insurance is a legal requirement. Driving without insurance is not only risky but can lead to severe penalties, such as fines, license suspension, or even legal action. Car insurance ensures that you meet your legal obligations as a driver, helping maintain the safety and integrity of the road. Car insurance offers financial protection, liability coverage, medical benefits, peace of mind, and compliance with legal requirements. It plays a crucial role in safeguarding both your finances and the well-being of others on the road.
YouTube channel 5 benefits of having a car insurance. 5 benefits of having car insurance. It's easy to talk about why you have to have a car insurance. It may be requirement in the state you live in. Yet, it's very good investment for yourself and your family too. There are numerous benefits of having a policy that offers complete protection to you. Here are few key examples of when auto insurance benefits you. So first of all, you are at risk of being in accident. Accident happen all of time in every city and on every roadway. It's a big deal because many of them lead to costly losses. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety said that 2002 17 34 2047 crashes occurred in the United States. Those crashes involved 52645 motor vehicles and 37,133 people died. Considering this, you are at risk of crash. Whenever you operate a vehicle without coverage, you would be personally financially responsible for the losses. You will pay less life an accident occurs. In second benefits, the biggest benefits of its coverage is that you will pay small amount now for protection. However, if a large accident occurs, the policy will cover those repairs. The average cost for an auto insurance policy of the United States, according to the Insurance Information Institute, was 903,580 per year in 2016. However, if you consider that a single head-on crash can amount to thousands of dollars in losses, it's clear that you will pay less by having a policy than if you did not have one. The third option is it helps you avoid devaluation to your car. Some types of policies benefits you by helping to prolong the life the window. However, if you have a comprehensive insurance, it can cover the losses you incur from these risks. This saves you money in the long term. It also helps you return the car a marketable position in case you ever want to sell it. Fourth option, you gain peace of mind knowing that have policy that protects your family can give you peace of mind. Could you afford to make these payments to repair your vehicles without it? Would that put your family at risk? Financial difficulties, it risks occur. Car insurance will help you avoid having to face significant monetary losses. And the last option is it safeguards your against and lawsuit. Even if you made a mistake and caused significant damage to another person's property, you don't deserve to lose your house over it. With auto insurance, you get help with claims other make against you and accident that includes legal defense if you need it. It is easy to see the benefits car insurance going without simply too much of risk. So